How to fix Roblox not launching on mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can fix if you're not being able to launch the Roblox application on your mobile phone. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now sometimes when you're trying to open Roblox from a game launcher, just go ahead and then you'll be able to find it in the Roblox app drawers and so on, but you're not being able to go ahead and simply launch it. Maybe the icon isn't responding or whatever else. For that, what you want to do is you can come to your Play Store or your App Store, search for Roblox, and then try to tap on the play button right next to Roblox in that way, because this time when you tap on the play button, most likely Roblox app might actually launch. If this doesn't help, then what you can actually try to do is you can go ahead and then try to restart your device. So depending upon the volume button combinations, try to shut down your phone and then try to restart it again and then see if that solves your problem. If it doesn't, there are a couple of things that we can do, and that is to simply open up your settings menu. Once you open settings, you want to go to the option that says apps. Once you come to apps, here you simply want to search for Roblox. So just go to the R section over here, and once you find Roblox, simply tap on it. Then come to the storage tab, clear cache, and then make sure to also clear the data. Once you clear the cache files and data, come back and then try to tap on the open button and then see if that launches Roblox, or else just force stop it once. Once you force stop it, try to open it and see if that fixes. If it doesn't, then come back to your Play Store, check if the Roblox app has an update. If it has, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these solutions may have helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.